Welcome to the University of Rochester. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm excited. I love being a first-year RA. It's so fun to help students acclimate to campus environment and be that first real connection they make here. It's one of my favorite things. I love being a first-year RA.
Feeling good, you know, a little nervous, a little jittery to meet all these new people, but I'm excited too, so that's a good thing.
When I first saw this university, I've already loved it.
My favorite part of the university is definitely just how kind everyone is and how easy it was for me to adapt to a new environment.
I know they have the top professors here, and I really definitely want to learn from them and definitely do some research in the future too.
I chose U of R for the location and like the community. I feel like U of R is very diverse, and I wanted to be in a diverse community and where I could get like a ton of different points of views and walks of life.
I personally chose it for the amazing medical school and all the research opportunities that are there. So I knew for a fact, like, if I come here, there's going to be research opportunities aplenty.
I'm excited to show people who are new to Rochester around. I think that should be cool because I know a few spots here and there if they want to go thrifting or like go to the market.
The University of Rochester really provides us a way to be uniquely ourselves in all areas of what we want to do. When I came to U of R, I really wanted to still be able to be involved in a lot of different things. So I came here and I was able to get involved in intramural sports. I was able to get involved in research. I was able to get involved in singing through a worship team, and I just love being able to do everything that makes me me at the University of Rochester, which is so awesome.